let's look at this. It says we should calculate for sine M and L. M and L. That is this angle. Let's just call it theta. Okay? Let's call it theta. So that is we are looking for sine theta. So this is a question. Okay? Now, how do we go about this? To use sine here, we must apply it on right angle triangle. But what I'm seeing here now is this is given to us as far as this is cosine. Hypotenuse is given. Nothing else is given to us. We can't work with that. So the first thing we need to do first is to try and look for this. Let's look for what? This. Let's call this x. Okay? If we get s now, then we can find this out. How do we get s? S, as far as it is cosine, is opposite to this given angle because here too is also 90. If here is already 90, angle on a straight line is 180. 180 minus 90 is 90. So therefore, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. It means therefore sine 70 degrees equals to s over 7. S therefore is 7 multiplied by sine 70 degree. Let's work this out. Okay, that is the answer, 6.578. So we just approximate this, okay? Now, we have S. Let's redraw this. This is X, that is 6.578. Then this is 21. This is theta we are looking for. So, as far as theta is concerned, this is opposite to this theta, and this is hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, it means sine theta equals to 6.578 over 21. As you can see, we are not actually looking for theta. We are looking for sine theta. So this is the question given to us. So whatever we have here is our answer. Let's use calculator to finish this. So this is the answer, okay? So this is the end of what? Of this question. Because we are asked to find sine M and L. All this understood. Thank you for viewing.